I'm Rohit and she's my wife Shveta.
Hello.
We live in Gurgaon, Vatika city. I have a creative agency and we are both passionate about cooking.
And I'm a marketing professional, a full-time mother, homekeeper, plus a professional. So that leaves me with little time, but whatever time I do spend in the kitchen, I enjoy watching him cook.
This is my kitchen where I spend most of my time. And the best part about this kitchen is that the colors, the white and black, which I love the most, and it gives me a sense of more space.
Basically, he needs a lot of space to cook. He needs his counters only to himself. He does not like anyone to interfere into his workspace. That's so important for him.
I would like everything within my reach and vividly clear as to where things are placed. My kitchen has retracting drawers which normally I tend to leave open and they go back themselves.
The fact that he started putting his food creation and his recipes on Instagram prompted me also to join Instagram. And once I joined and I started flipping through the pages, that's where I came across Livspace. And that's where I saw those lovely pictures of interiors that Livspace had done around Gurgaon. And that's how I contacted Livspace and we visited them in the Sector 29 office. And that's how we came across Livspace.
The best part about this kitchen is the 3 counters which is given to me to do my chopping, plating and placing. Apart from that, we have a breakfast counter where normally when I cook I would like to place and whatever I have cooked, and my family loves to come and eat from here.
Very organized, very practical, very systematic approach. With materials suggested also, we were given the choice that we could choose between different materials, and she would show us CAD drawings of how it would look eventually. Hats off to the entire team of Livspace, and they finished the project much before time, much ahead of time. They said 45 days, I think they finished on the 37th or the 38th day. Well in time for our Diwali card party that we were so looking forward to, and we could show off our complete kitchen, our house, so proudly.
So I think it was a good choice to give the contract to Livspace.
Absolutely. Very happy with it.